You've got a JL, you've already added the wheels, tires, and a lift. You want to keep going, modifications. Next logical step would be the step. But Gaston, it already has steps on it. Yeah, it does. It's got the factory hollow plastic up a little too high to step into a lifted Jeep steps. We're gonna take those off and put on something much cooler. Don't get intimidated by the amount of hardware. Once you break it down to each individual bracket, like I have here, it becomes much less daunting. So the kit comes with 3 different size mounting bolts. The shortest is going to be used to mount the main bracket to the actual step. The middle is going to be used to mount the rocker bracket to the main bracket, and then the longer is going to be used to mount the rocker bracket to the Jeep's rocker panel. I've got the hardware in its location just so I keep all that square for the install. We're going to take that 25mm bolt and attach the rocker bracket to the main bracket loosely. We're not tightening this down. Now we take our 20mm. That's what's going to attach the main bracket to the actual step. Hand thread that in, get it started. Grab the second one, washer. Do the same thing, and then I'll cinch them down with the ratchet. All right, now that I've got the brackets all installed on the Rough Country Contour drop step, we're gonna go ahead and take the factory running boards off and get ready to install these. Noise alert if you're wearing headphones. We will retain these bolts to install the Rough Country steps. Do you tell the cameraman this is the last bolt and he may get hit by a step, or do you keep going? So right now I am reinstalling the factory bolts that I told you to retain for these steps. I'm not gonna tighten them down all the way. I'm just getting it to where the step can hold itself up. So we'll install the rocker bolts, then slide the step snugly to the body and tighten down the factory bolt and the bolt holding the rocker bracket to the main bracket. Noise alert. So now that we have the rocker brackets mounted, the rocker bracket is slotted on the main bracket and the main bracket is slotted at the body mounting point. That's going to allow us to bring the step in about a 1/4 inch from the body, and then we'll tighten everything down. This is what we're looking at here. That's nice right there. So now that I'm happy with the alignment of the step to the body, I'll go ahead and tighten the rocker bracket to the main bracket and the main bracket to the floor pan, and that will complete the install of the Rough Country JL Contour drop steps. Getting rid of those minivan running boards made a huge difference in the overall look of the Jeep. I hope following along with me made your install easier. If you have any other questions, be sure to reach out to us. Until next time, I'm Gaston.